welcome back to GateUgchostboxcse channel and back to the tutorial for operating system. Today we're going to see the small topic called lock variable in operating system with the process synchronization. The previous session I explained about the classical problems of synchronization and how to solve also with the help of dining classical problem and readers writer solution also. Let's go for session today. So this very simple small topic. Whenever you competitive exam, you have to know this information. So lock variable, what you know means here, this is a simple synchronous mechanism, and moreover the software mechanism implemented in user mode. Then PC waiting solution which can be used for more than two processes. In this mechanism, a lock variable lock is used here. Two values of lock, it can be either 0 or 1. And here what is the meaning of lock 0, value 0? So lock 0 means, lock value 0 means that the critical section is vacant, while the lock value 1 means that is occupied. The meaning is, and moreover a process which wants to get into the critical section, first it check the value of the lock variable. If it is 0, then it set the value of the lock as 1 and enter to the critical section, otherwise it waits. Let's see the pseudo code where you can get clarity about this lock variable and some information. So here let's assume that there will be a code called entry section while lock is equal to 1, first instruction line 1, then critical section after let's have to have exit section locks of 0. Let's assume that case 1 where you have process 1 and process 2. Here what will happen, first of all the process will enter and execute this statement, then it will go and follow this lock 1. Initially it will check whether lock value is 0 or 1. What time that go and enter, first time what will happen, it go and execute, second time P2 will get the chance. But here what happened, what is the major problem happening means whenever lock variable is there, here by default first instruction 1 will be executed, that is while lock is equal to 1, then the P1 go to the primitive state, then it will wait for some time and P2 will enter. After case 2 what happened, P1 will enter in the primitive state and P2 will execute the first line, then second line and enter the critical section, at last exit after updating the lock value. Now then after time the P1 will restart and execute the line number 2, because line instruction 1 already executed, then lock executed, then will execute the line number 2 and enter the critical cycle, at last will execute the loop here. So like that there was a problem implemented here. The problem is there is no guarantee of mutual exclusion, and one advantage is what, it will support the multiple processes. Let's assume that process 3, process P, anything want to execute, we can execute easily with this loop. Just but thing is it goes sometime in the preemptive state, preemptive mode. That's the drawback here. So if you want to overcome, you need support of test and set instruction. Let's see in the upcoming session. These are about lock variable. So remember these are implemented in synchronization mechanism where implement user mode only. And also here lock value 0 means what, critical section is vacant, while the lock value 1 means it is occupied. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly comment it with the social media. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you.